again, it's Suzanne in Texas, and I wanted to show you another little tip the instructor gave us last week at our Babylock class. It was Emily Carter, and she mentioned, and a lot of people in the class had not ever used the beam for sewing purposes, which I think is excellent, especially if you quilt. It helps keep you in line. This is the little icon you hit to turn the beam on. And if you're working on joining ends of like binding and so forth, or strips, if you'll just follow the beam, you don't have to draw any lines or anything. Now I'm going to attempt to do the sewing with one hand, and it may work, it may not, we'll see. Okay, try to keep my eye on the beam. Let's do this real quick. Now, if everything worked properly, it should work. Now, of course, you'd want to trim your tails there and then press it open. And using both hands, I think you would probably have gotten even better results. I started a little late, but can you see how that would help? Hope that makes sense. Give it a try. Practice a little bit first, though.